Hello, my dear friends. A.S.S. Science Foundation once again welcome you all. Today we are here on a very special achievement of one of our student, Priya Samdarshi. So Priya Samdarshi have secured a final admission in PhD IIT Bombay Environmental Science and Engineering 2021 session. So in spite of all the odd conditions outside, she keep on working hard with a team of A.S.S. The experts associated with our team guided her very well for her interview and entrances, the places such as IIT Mumbai. And finally, she have gone through the interview and she is finally selected in IIT Bombay PhD program Environmental Science and Engineering. On this achievement, the whole team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate and wish her all the best for the PhD journey and future research she would be pursuing. Thank you.